Becoming QuickBooks certified can open new doors for your accounting or bookkeeping career, demonstrating your expertise and commitment to current and prospective clients. This certification is beneficial whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to update your skill set. The process begins with visiting the official Intuit website, where you'll find a comprehensive overview of the certification process, including its benefits. To start, look for the Become a Certified Pro Advisor section and click on the Get Started button, which signifies your readiness to embark on this learning path. The certification process involves a series of courses and exams designed to test your knowledge and proficiency in QuickBooks. After clicking Get Started, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks, which will give you access to the training materials you need. If you're not already a QuickBooks user, signing up will allow you to get familiar with the software. You may encounter a prompt to visit the US site if you're accessing the resources from outside the United States. So click on the suggestion to ensure you're viewing the correct version of QuickBooks offerings, tailored to the US market. Choosing your plan is the next crucial step, as QuickBooks offers various plans designed to meet different needs and budgets. Take your time to review these options and select the one that best suits your current situation. If investing in a plan right away seems like a big step, or if you're on the fence about which plan suits you best, you can access free webinars through the online website by navigating to the Help option. These webinars are a great way to acquaint yourself with QuickBooks functionalities and can serve as an initial stepping stone towards your certification. The journey to certification is not just about passing exams, but about gaining a deep understanding of QuickBooks software, enabling you to leverage its full potential for your business or career. The certification boosts your professional credibility and enhances your ability to provide high-quality financial management services to your clients. To ensure success, pace yourself, as the wealth of information available can be overwhelming, and utilize the community forums and support offered by QuickBooks, connecting with other users and professionals in the field for valuable insights and answers to any questions you may have. Becoming QuickBooks certified is a strategic move for any accounting professional looking to demonstrate their skills and knowledge in one of the most widely used accounting software suites in the world. By following the outlined steps, you're well on your way to achieving this valuable certification, which will enhance your professional value and open new doors in your career. Every step forward is a step towards success in the world of accounting and finance. And with dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goal of becoming QuickBooks certified.